Hi, this is Brett Lonsdale from NLightning, and I'm here with Sandy Ussia. So how are you, Sandy?
I'm good, thanks, Brett. Yep. So Brett and I have co-founded NLightning, which is a Power Platform and SharePoint and Teams coaching company.
Yeah, absolutely. So I guess we're quite well known in Lightning tools and the network around that, but perhaps not to people in Lightning. So Sandy, do you want to just introduce yourself and who you are?
Sure. I'm a business applications MVP with Microsoft, or awarded by Microsoft, and mainly focusing in Power Apps and Power Automate, but really any Power Platform. And so that's one of the main things that we coach around. And yourself?
Fantastic. Yeah, so I'm Brett Lonsdale. I co-founded Lightning Tools, and this is something that I created 15 years ago. So we celebrated our 15th birthday, and also,
Congratulations.
thank you, and co-founded NLightning with Sandy. So yeah, I'm also an MVP, but in the area of Office apps and services. So that is primarily Microsoft SharePoint and Teams. So
Mm.
that's my area of specialization, both from development experience and also from end user and administration experience as well.
Okay, great. Do you want to explain a little bit about what NLightning does?
Absolutely, yeah. So NLightning is a new concept. I have many years experience as a trainer. I was a Microsoft certified trainer for many years and used to teach different subjects such as SQL and also Visual Basic and C Sharp and things like that, and of course also Microsoft SharePoint as well.
Mm.
And one of the things that I've always been very fond of the idea on is not necessarily delivering a 5-day training course or even a 2-day training course when not all of it is relevant to what the attendee is looking for. And it can also be frustrating for organizations who are looking to maybe build something inside of Power Apps or inside of Power Automate, even roll out SharePoint or Teams and so on, and have really a choice of, do they go to a consultant and have somebody do it for them, or do they go and attend a training course and again find a lot of it isn't relevant. So we are very much sort of in between that. We don't do consulting, we don't necessarily do training, but we do coaching. So we spend the time to understand, what is the requirement that you or your business has? What is it you're trying to build in Power Apps, or what type of flow are you looking to create, or are you considering teams being rolled out inside of your organization? That's the sort of thing that we can help with, and we'll ask questions to build up a picture and understand what your vision is, and then we will work together to make sure that you use the right learning materials and learn in a way that is aligned to your vision. So that may be using existing materials that are out there on the internet, but really sort of helping you get started with that and holding your hand throughout the whole process. And the end result is that you deliver your vision, but you also understood how you got there, and you've learned through the process and could continue to support your app, or you could, you know, maintain teams or whatever it is you've pushed out with us.
Yeah, we have found that for a lot of people, that really targeted training, where it's focused on exactly what you are trying to do, is the most effective and efficient way to get to where you're trying to go.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's not to say that there's anything wrong with training or anything wrong with
Right.
consulting. It's another avenue that you can go down, and we've worked with a lot of clients already on really sort of delivering a very specific goal within a certain time frame. So
Yes. And so
that's
we've
us.
decided to start a series of videos on our YouTube channel.
And this is the
And
first.
yes, so we thought we would cover topics mainly around what's new in the different things that we coach on. So Power Platform topics and SharePoint and Teams mainly, but things that are new, or maybe demonstrating something that has come out recently, or something that has been a common request from people maybe about learning about. So it might be any variety of things.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm really looking forward to doing this on a very regular bi-weekly basis.
Yes, me too.
All right. Well, thanks a lot, Sandy. I look forward to, well, I'll catch you before then, but look
Yes.
forward to our next discussion on what's new in the Microsoft 365 suite.
Okay. Thanks, Brett. Bye.
Cheers. Bye bye.